Welcome to Omero TV. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Omero TV. God bless you. My lovely fans, Yul Edochie best friend when they call Chigozie. The man don't come out, come talk some certain and some strange, shocking things. According to him, since he betrayed me, Edochie, his life has not been the same. I tell you, say anybody will get evil to do against me, Edochie, they will never find peace. He says since when he betrayed me, Edochie, his life has not been the same. Everything has gone bad and wrong for him. But they try to push around. But he know very well that since when he betrayed me, Edochie, he dey feel am for body say something, a lot of things went wrong in his life, in his career, in his marriage, and everything. So this time around, this man say, this one way here, he no go close his mouth. As you all know, me Edochie is somebody when he be say, no matter wetin happen, no matter wetin people talk, no matter wetin they do, me Edochie no dey go do research. I can tell you that for free. I'm somebody that moves around me Edochie, people close to her, trying to get information, trying to get details of certain things. I can tell you that me Edochie is somebody that is not interested in what people say or do. She concentrates more for wetin dey put food for her table. Now that one I consign me Edochie. E no consign me Edochie, consign wetin people dey do online. So all these things wey dey happen, me Edochie, she no dey drag anybody, she no dey fight with anybody. But surprisingly, the same me Edochie that is not interested in what people say or do about her, for where she sit down, now there they go still carry matter. This matter when they gather, discuss in their darkness, they will still carry this matter. They'll still go give me Edochie. They'll still go put some for her table. They'll still go expose themselves to me Edochie. That is how God is protecting me Edochie. Matter where she not send, she not care, but that matter must surely come to her hearing. Yul Edochie friend say he no go keep this one. Say he no go keep am. He say he need to talk out. He say because the betrayer when he betray me Edochie the first time, he dey worry for body. Me Edochie was kind, was nice, was good to him. But he no know wetin happen according to her. He say when Yul Edochie tell am say in dey date Judy Austin, he tell Yul Edochie say I don't like that woman. He say na the first thing when he talk. He say at the very beginning, he say he never liked Judy Austin because of her way of life and the way she dey do for that industry. He say so that very day they were in movie location. After they don't finish, they suppose go eat for restaurants. Now Yul Edochie come tell and say Judy Austin cook. Say make they go eat for Judy Austin house. He say one spirit they tell him he no go, he no here. He come look and Yul Edochie come the force am. He come follow Yul Edochie. They come reach there, they come eat. He says since when he eats that food, now he begin to see Judy Austin as the most beautiful woman on earth, to the extent advising Yul Edochie to date and marry her. So according to her, he say I don't clear. Say that thing, that food where he eat, there was something in that food. And before he start, he said, and after he eat that food, now he begin betray me Edochie. He says since so he betray me Edochie, he say nothing way no they put hand. But no one they work, everything they backfire. So he's not going to fold his hand this time around. According to Yul Edochie best friend, when he exposed this deepest secret about Yul Edochie, he said Yul Edochie never move on. He said for me Edochie matter. He said Yul Edochie never move on. He said Yul Edochie still believe. Say me Edochie go come back. Say, let him just make the example so that people go know, say, Yul Edochie never move on. He say, Yul Edochie still they talk, say, May Edochie will come back to him. He and May Edochie, they must come back together. He said that is his belief. So, according to this Yul Edochie best friend, he said Yul Edochie call him. Tell her, say, abeg, me we see, very urgent. He said two of them come meet up. He said as they meet up, say Yul Edochie come tell her, say, you never hear wetin dey happen now. Now he say, waiting. Say May Edochie and a new man and a boyfriend, both of them traveled to Spain. I don't hear this one from anybody. I'm hearing it from Yul Edochie. We not get the information, say May Edochie and any man travel. Now from Yul Edochie, now this information for the call. Yul Edochie say May Edochie and her boyfriend now he travel go Spain. Now Yul Edochie best friend come tell Yul Edochie say, how is it your problem? If the woman like he travel with my friend, boyfriend, Kinikon, anything she like, she is no longer your wife. What is your problem? Let the woman go enjoy life now. After all, they say body no be firewood. He say Yul Edochie just stand up, just hit hand for table. Bah! Say, I thought you are my friend. I thought you are my friend. Why will you say this? Say, now it's what you say me talk. Are you not with Judy Austin? Not be you and Judy Austin, they do birthday, they do child dedication, baptize speaking, kinikon. So what do you want from me, Edochie? Now Yul Edochie say, that is story for the God. He said this is friend never understand. Say May Edochie cannot be with another man. Now a friend says who? Says who? Now Yul Edochie asks a friend, are you for me or you are against me? Now a friend say, I'm not against you. But there is something you need to put into your head. Oga, you don't born 3 children. You don't born 3 children from your unfortunate relationship. Just face your front. And what they know is that May Edochie has moved on. Even when you and your family try to talk, your papa talk, the family talk, everybody talk, May Edochie made it clear that she has moved on. She's not going back. Do you want them to explain this thing to you? It is very difficult. It's very hard. But okay, you need to swallow it. You need to swallow it. If to say you not rush, go born PP and Universal Thunder, maybe this woman would have considered you. You born 1, you born 2, you born 3, and you want me this woman take you back. Where I won't put you? What kind of forgiveness is that? Did you even make a mistake? You not made a mistake. You open your clear eye, enter into a new relationship. Disrespect your wife. Now you say the May Edochie cannot date another man. Why? Who says so? Now this friend say, Yul Edochie, May Edochie will date any man she wants. Now Yul Edochie tell friend, say, let's bet it. Now friend say, what does that mean? Yul Edochie know they understand you. You know, say this pattern what you do, so you know like her. Which one be let's bet? Bet what? Are you betting on top of your ex-wife? Yul Edochie tell friend, say, only if your friend know where he don't go for May Edochie matter. He say, friend not go talk like this. He say, instead of a friend to the ask and say, why did you say May Edochie cannot date another person? He say, a friend they tell her, say, May Edochie go date. You don't feel do anything. He say, let's bet. Now a friend say, okay, tell me, make I know. Why do you really believe that she cannot date another man? And presently, now only you still talk and say, May Edochie right now travel to Spain with a man. They go flex. She's not going there alone. She did not go there alone. she went with a new man. So, how did you know? How did you get the information? And why do you believe that she cannot be in a relationship? My people, now yes story for Tofu. According to Yul Edochie, Yul Edochie say he don't take some certain things from May Edochie when he used against May Edochie. He said during the time when he was married to May Edochie, there is one ritual where they do against May Edochie. He cut May Edochie finger, her hair from her private part, her hair for head, her fingernails, her toes, nails. He said he carry all these things. He said they May Edochie on this panty and bra and blazer. May I call her like that. So he said they in possession of all these things. During the beginning, when May Edochie tried, during the beginning, when he and May Edochie leave each other, different billionaires were visiting his father's house. They were asking the father if May Edochie and Yul Edochie have truly divorced. He said they went to his father's house. They went there with cola nut and drink. Then they tell the papa, say, they want May Edochie. They saw an hard-working woman. A woman that can stand by man and build a man. Then they don't made. But they want a woman that will stand by them, not to fall them. So they decide before they go meet May Edochie, they won't ask grandpapa, is May Edochie and Yul Edochie, they don't really separate. Now grandpapa quoted, they say, they never leave each other. They are still trying to settle them. Una they see, so those billionaires, when they want May Edochie, they don't want to commit abomination. They don't want to stain their hand. Because if you want to be rich in life, there are certain things you don't have to do again. Unless say you define BLEOD money. You start removing your hands from bad thing so that it will not affect them. That make you see many people, they go rich in the morning, in the evening they'll poor. Because there is something negative when you go poor hand. So, grandpapa then, when he knows say May Edochie and his son not there again, he can't tell all these billionaires say, May Edochie and his son still there. Now quarrel. Say the family, the two families, that they try to settle them, which is not truth. So Yul Edochie say during that time, now he know say if he leave May Edochie, say these men, they will rush her. So he took those things that are with him, which is May Edochie hair. When he do some rituals against May Edochie, then I don't want to go into that story. A lot of you already know the story. How these people charm May Edochie, did a lot of ritual. So those things where they collect from and they do ritual, some were remaining and Yul Edochie kept it. Imagine a man you call your husband. He get your hair. He get your hair for your smoke makers. He gets your toes. He gets your fingernails. Because sometimes you don't know what these people take from you. So he say he take all these things from May Edochie. He carry them to some certain shrine. Whereby in time May Edochie right now. He say any man when he deal with May Edochie, they not go stay long. As they take come, now so they go take go. He say if you like, May Edochie date 20 men. The way they take come, now so they go take go. He say no one when he go stay. He say no one will go stay. He say he don't do that charm. He don't tire. He say one small thing go cause quarrel, that man go go. He say no be say the men will not come, they will come. But the way they take come, they will go. He said the one way they surprise her, now how this one fit follow May Edochie go Spain. 2 of the night they Spain right now. Now this the friend ask and say, how you tell no? He say from reliable source. Somebody close to me Edochie told. Somebody that told him. He said me Edochie and this man na dey dey Spain. He said because me Edochie cannot, no man go stay with him. He said he don't do the ritual. He don't tire. He said any man will consider they must quarrel, they must go. He said he don't tie that thing. He said he don't tire. He said this one will follow me Edochie go Spain. He said now there they will quarrel. Everybody will work out their separate way. He said as they finish that holiday, he said two of them go scatter. He said because wetin him do, nobody go date me Edochie more than 1 month. They go run. Anyone will date am 1 month, they go run. He said now wetin him do me Edochie. Since he cannot be in the life of me Edochie, no other man. And by the time me Edochie turn around, me Edochie will come back to him. They must continue. Instead of me Edochie to carry new man, me Edochie will come back to him. They will start from where they stop. He don't care how many years. He don't care how long it will take. But he and me Edochie will come back. They must find their way back together. He says, so this is a ritual. When he do against me Edochie, he say don't tie that thing. Now a friend tell him, say, Yul Edochie, there are consequences in all these things. Instead of you to be praying and behaving well, make your wife or consider you. You go dey do juju on top of the evil when you do this woman. This thing if it backfire, you feel run mad. Yul Edochie say no care. But wetin he wants na for any man when he come here Edochie life, make them not spend more than 1 month. After 1 month, all of them go run. They will run from me Edochie. My people. Now Yul Edochie friend say, this one pass am. He no go quiet. He must expose Yul Edochie for this emission. He say na native daughter na he go. And the native daughter wey Yul Edochie go say very strong native daughter. This his friend know the native daughter. Now he make your friend cry come aside. Come tell some certain people say, make me Edochie dey pray ado. Yul Edochie has not moved on. And he no want see me Edochie move on. He say he wants, he say he and me Edochie they must come back together. Whether na 80 years or 90 years the day, they must come back together. And no other man can stay with me Edochie. Now they see life. Now this one makes some women go leave some men. That woman no go ever see man when he go take her serious. You no go ever see man when he go stay alive. In short, some women they no go come get interest for men again. Normally, when a man leaves a woman, the woman supposed build herself and have a boyfriend. Normal. But you see some women, they'll leave man to even carry another man will become a problem for them. If they even see the one way won't date them, they not go stay, they go run. Because these evil men, they don't go tie these women. They don't want them to move on. And meanwhile, they are living their life. The consequences is dangerous. Now, so one day go backfire Yul Edochie. Una go here say throw away clothes. They'll come they talk say, hey, you sure say your wife not do one thing. Not knowing say na the evil when they plan. Now you carry a woman come or it destroy your marriage. Now you still want to make your wife not move on. Every man that comes, that will come to our life, you don't go tie them with confusion, quarrel, and frustration. Now a friend tell and say, Yul Edochie, this is far beyond him. Now a friend tell and say, Yul Edochie, you don't go far. He supported you in all these things. But the way you dey go about these things, he don't wash your hand. He not get hand for this one. Do you know the consequences of what you did? If you backfire, you go kolo. Yul Edochie say na him make am, no go let am backfire. Say wetin he need na the man picture now. The man picture. Now he need now to take deal with this man. My people, una dey see life. Una dey see life. So Yul Edochie best friend don't talk and come outside. That May Edochie should be very prayerful. That her ex-husband has refused to move on. Because a man wey don't move on, no go say me and my ex-wife, we must surely settle and come back together. So they say May Edochie should be very, very prayerful. Because Yul Edochie right now can go to any length just for May Edochie not to move on. It's very comfortable to see that woman single. It's very comfortable not to see any man around May Edochie. But the moment he hears say there is a man, this man head go dey rise, go on kolo. So such men are dangerous. May God protect May Edochie. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. This is Omero TV. God bless you.